Right now, somewhere, a dog is asleep on the floor. Its paws are twitching. Its legs are running in place. A soft, muffled bark escapes. Its eyes are darting back and forth beneath closed lids. Most people watch this and say the same thing. "Aw, he's dreaming about chasing a squirrel." But they're guessing. And science has actually looked inside that sleeping brain. What your pet dreams about isn't a mystery anymore, and the answer is more personal than you'd ever expect. For most of history, dreams were considered uniquely human. The idea that an animal could dream felt absurd. Dreams require imagination, memory, an inner world. Surely a dog just runs on instinct, but here's the thing, dreaming isn't magic. It's a biological process, and it's tied to a specific stage of sleep called REM, rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, the brain is almost as active as it is when awake. The eyes dart around. The body is paralyzed to stop you from acting out the dream. And in humans, this is exactly when our most vivid dreaming happens. So scientists asked a simple question. Do animals have REM sleep too? The answer is yes. Dogs do, cats do, rats do, birds do, even some reptiles appear to. Almost every mammal studied cycles through the same REM sleep stage that produces dreams in humans. And once researchers confirmed that animals enter REM, the next question became impossible to ignore. If their brains are doing the same thing ours do during dreams, are they dreaming the same way? To answer that, scientists had to do something extraordinary. They had to switch off the part of the brain that keeps a dreaming body still, and watch what happened. In the 1960s, a French scientist named Michel Jouvet ran one of the most revealing sleep experiments in history. He was studying cats. There's a small region in the brainstem responsible for muscle paralysis during REM sleep. It's what keeps you from physically acting out your dreams. Jouvet carefully disabled this region in cats, and then let them fall asleep. What happened next changed how we understand the animal mind. The sleeping cats got up. With their eyes closed, deep in REM sleep, they began to move. And they didn't move randomly. They stalked. They arched their backs. They pounced on invisible prey. They hissed at enemies that weren't there. Some performed the exact hunting sequence a cat uses in the wild. Crouch, creep, pounce. They were acting out their dreams. These cats weren't dreaming about abstract shapes or random noise. They were dreaming about being cats, hunting, stalking, defending territory, the most fundamental behaviors of their species, replaying in their sleep. That experiment proved something profound. Animals don't just enter dream sleep. They dream about meaningful, species-specific experiences. A cat dreams about being a cat. But cats hunt by instinct. Maybe they were just replaying hardwired behavior. The real breakthrough came decades later, with rats and a maze. In 2001, researchers at MIT, led by Matthew Wilson, did something even more precise. They recorded the exact firing patterns of neurons in a rat's brain while it ran through a maze. Each section of the maze produced a unique, identifiable pattern of brain activity. Then they let the rat sleep and kept recording. During REM sleep, the rats replayed the exact same neural patterns, in the same order, that they'd produced while running the maze. The brain activity was so specific that researchers could tell which part of the maze the rat was dreaming about. They could read the dream. The rats were dreaming about the maze, rerunning it, practicing it, consolidating the memory of where the reward was. This told scientists something huge. Dreams aren't random. They're tied to real, recent experience. The rat dreamed about its day, its actual day, the places it went, the paths it ran, the memories it formed while awake. And if that's true for rats, it's almost certainly true for the animal sleeping next to you right now. So put it all together. What does your dog actually dream about? Not abstract squirrels it invented, not random nonsense. Based on everything science has shown, your dog most likely dreams about its actual life, its real experiences, the walk it took today, the smells it followed, the yard it patrolled, and the people in it. Here's what makes this hit differently. Dogs are intensely social animals. Their waking lives revolve around one thing more than anything else. You, your face, your voice, your scent, your routines. You are the central character in your dog's daily experience. And dreams replay daily experience. Which means when your dog twitches and whimpers in its sleep, there's a real scientific possibility that it's dreaming about you, greeting you at the door, following you through the house, sitting at your feet, walking beside you. The moments that fill its day are the moments most likely to fill its dreams. Dr. Deirdre Barrett, a sleep researcher at Harvard, put it simply. Since dogs are generally hyper-attached to their human owners, it's likely your dog is dreaming of your face, your smell, and of pleasing or annoying you. Think about what that means. You spend your day distracted. Phone, work, 1,000 thoughts. Your dog spends its day focused almost entirely on you, and then it falls asleep, and its brain replays the thing that mattered most. You. Cats are different, but no less revealing. A cat's dreams, based on Jouvet's work, likely center on hunting, territory, and the small dramas of its day. The bird at the window, the patrol of the house, the spot of sunlight it claimed. Your cat probably dreams about being a hunter in the world you share with it. Even smaller pets dream. Studies suggest rats, mice, and birds all replay daily experience in sleep. A pet bird may rehearse its songs while sleeping, literally practicing in its dreams. The sleeping animal in your home isn't blank. It's running a private replay of a life you're at the center of. So the next time you catch your pet twitching in its sleep, paws running, eyes flickering, stop and really look. You're not watching random nerve signals. You're watching a mind process a life, a brain replaying its day, consolidating its memories, practicing its instincts, and, quite possibly, revisiting the moments it spent with you. We used to think dreaming was the thing that separated us from animals. One more line in the long list of abilities we believed were uniquely human. But that line, like so many others, keeps disappearing the closer we look. Your pet dreams. It dreams about real things. It dreams about its world. And in that world, more than any toy, any squirrel, any patch of sun, there's you. You are the most important thing in your dog's waking life. And there's a good chance you're the most important thing in its dreams, too. It can't tell you that. But its twitching paws and soft sleeping sounds might be saying it anyway. If this changed how you watch your pet sleep tonight, the next video will change how you understand what it's thinking when it's awake. It's on screen now, and if you want one of these every week, subscribe. Your dog is probably dreaming about you right now. The least you can do is learn a little more about it.